Good morning, students. Today we will start coordinate geometry. You already studied the number line in the chapter on number system. On the number line, distance from a fixed point are marked in equal units positively in one direction and negatively in the other. The point from which the distance are marked is called the origin, means the center. We use the number line to represent the numbers by making points on a line at equal distance. If 1 unit distance represents the number 1, then 3 unit distance represents the number 3 and 0 being at the origin. We choose two lines to locate a point in a plane in this chapter which are perpendicular to each other. One line will be the horizontal and the other will be vertical according to the figure. These lines are actually obtained as follows. Take two number lines calling them x dash x and y dash y. Place x dash x horizontal and write the numbers on it just as written on the number line. We do the same things with y dash y except that y dash y is vertical, not horizontal. Okay? Now combine both the lines in such a way that the two lines cross each other at their zeros or origins. The horizontal line x dash x is called the x-axis and the vertical line y dash y is called the y-axis. The point where x dash x and y dash y cross is called the origin and is denoted by O. Since the positive numbers lies on the direction OX and OY, so OX and OY are called positive directions of the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. Similarly, OX dash and OY dash are called the negative directions of the x-axis and y-axis respectively. You observe that the axes divide the plane into four parts. These four parts are called quadrants, numbered 1, 2, 3 and 4 anti-clockwise from OX. So from this figure we can say that there are four quadrants, that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, abscissa is positive and ordinate also positive. In second quadrant, abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. In third quadrant, abscissa and ordinate both are negative, and in fourth quadrant abscissa positive and ordinate negative. So the plane consists of the axes and these quadrants. We call the plane the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane or the xy plane. The axes are called the coordinate axes. Okay, so from this figure I hope you understand. Now I will discuss about abscissa and ordinate. What is abscissa? The x coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the y-axis measured along the x-axis. For the point A, it is plus 27. So from here you can say that the x coordinate is the abscissa and the value of abscissa is here 27. Now the y coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the x-axis measured along the y-axis. For the point A, it is 13. So the y coordinate is also called the ordinate of the point. Okay, and the value of ordinate is here 13.